Hi and welcome to PLanears video tutorials. In the last video, we talked about how to add a new channel, lead, and a client in PLanears. In this video, we'll be talking them in a detail. So let's start with channel first. Click on this channel button. Now, in order to view the detail of that particular channel, click on this channel. Again, and it will show you all the details for a specific channel. Let's say its name, its contribution, description, and the credentials for that particular channel as well. Let's move forward to a lead now. Click on this leads button. It will route you to the leads page where you can search for a particular lead. You have multiple filters in order to search for a lead. Let's say you can search it by a name, by the channel, its potential, status, any sort of tag. So let's go and search through a channel. I'm going to go with test channel. Click on the search lead button. And you will be able to see all the leads that you have added through the channel test. We'll click on a lead in order to view the details for a particular lead. Now as you can see, it's showing the name, the assigner, creator, the channel status, its potential, and the score. Scrolling down, you have all the personal information section where you can actually have a title, the first and last name, the address, phone number, and a home phone number. In order to update or add those details, click on this add button. Now type in all the information. Once you pull out the information, click on this add button or update button to update your particular information. As soon as you do so, you'll see all the personal information right here in this section. Scrolling down, you'll have the business information section where you can see the company's name, email, the hourly rate for that particular company, the address, phone numbers, business sector, technology, value, and the financials. In order to add that, click on this add button and you can fill out all the information here. Now once you fill out the information, click on this add button in order to update that business information section. And you can see right here all the information will be updated accordingly. Now furthermore, scrolling down, you have the social information section where you can type in the links of a particular social media website. Let's say Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Skype, YouTube, or even background. To add those, click on this add button and you can right now fill the information here. Click on this add button to add the social information section for that particular lead. So from the PLanears YouTube video, I'm gonna go and copy the link and we'll be providing that link to this YouTube handle. As soon as you do so, click on this add button and you can see your YouTube will actually be updated here in this section. The YouTube video link will be here now. Scrolling down, you have a to-do list. Again, you can simply type in any sort of task for a particular to-do. On top of that, you can upload a file. Just for instance, let's try to upload a file. So I'm gonna go and select the file location and click on this button. Once it says ready to upload, click on this blue button to upload a file and you can see your file will be saved right here in this section. Scrolling further down, you will have this chat box section where you can have a conversation regarding that particular lead. For instance, you can check on these. This is the chat box working right now. Scrolling down, you'll have notes. You can add a new note for that particular lead. Let's say test note, and click on this add button to add a new note for that particular lead. You can even delete it from this button. Scrolling down, you'll have the timeline. You can actually add a new timeline for that particular lead. Select a type, it's either a message or an email. Let's go with email. Enter a subject, a description. Click on add button and you will be adding a new timeline for that particular lead. Scrolling down, you have the future actions, which we will be talking in a separate video. Now, coming back to our clients, click on the client button, and you'll have the list of all the clients that you have added so far in PLanears. Click on any sort of client, it will route you to a new page where again you will see all the information for a particular client. Let's say it's business type, potential, and the hourly rate. You can also see the creator for the particular client as well. Scrolling down, you have the products, the ongoing working projects for that particular client, and then you have a chat room for that particular client. You can have a conversation regarding that client within this chat room. For instance, also scrolling down again, you have an attachment folder where you can simply add any sort of attachment to it. Let's go with the same image. Once it stays ready to upload, click on this blue button, and this is how you can actually add a new or upload a new file within the attachment section. Again, a to-do task. You can simply click on this add button to add a new to-do. From here you can even delete that to-do task as well. Scrolling down further, you again have the notes section. For instance, test. Let's click on this add button to add a new note. Now again you have a timeline. Same is the case with this timeline as well. Click on this add button and future actions, which we'll be discussing in a separate video. Now here you can see the financial section as well for that particular client. It will show you all the total project price, the payments, expenses, and the write-offs. This is all the information detailed that we'll be covering in this video today. Now, thank you very much for watching the video. In our next video, we'll be talking about projects and operations as well.